Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use Canva. First, you have to write the link and you have to enter your username. If you don't have one, you have to create it. This website can help us to create like invitations or posters. And for example, I'm going to create an invitation for my friend's birthday. So there is a lot of samples to create our invitation. So my friend's party is in a bar. So I gonna choose this and I will put all the information here. So I will save the image of the margarita and then I'm going to edit this. So I'm going to put the name of the club, that is Lali's Club, and here I'm going to put Kelly's birthday. And here I'm going to put how you have to go dress it. So and boys, I'm going to put informal. And that's it. If you want, you could add titles or backgrounds. And now we finish with the invitation to the party. So we are going to create a handout. So we are going to enter here and then the page show us a lot of examples. So we are going to choose what it is in our needs. So again, I'm going to choose one for my friend's birthday. So I'm going to choose this. And in the other side, this one. And I'm going to start shading the titles. So I'm going to put again Kelly's birthday. I'm going to put again the club. And I put my contact to confirmations. So I'm going to put my cell phone in here. Uy. And here I'm going to put Margarita Night. So if you don't like how it is working, you can change the size of the letter and the style. So I'm gonna put this like this. I'm gonna put the date of the event. I mean,
Muy buenos días a todos. Queremos invitar en este momento a todas las mujeres del grado cuarto hasta el grado 11 para que por favor sigan en este momento al
and
auditorio de mujeres.
this here you can put other information. So you can put info about the event you are organizing. DJ.
Chicas, vayan subiendo la auditorio, por favor. Chicas, chicas. Ya, ya tenemos. Chicas, vayan subiendo, las que ven el tutorial, no hay problema, me envían más tardecito, pero vayan subiendo.
And that's it.
Las esperan en el
I hope
auditorio.
you enjoy this time and this tutorial. Goodbye.